In this video, I'll show you the different ways to use the Facebook ads birthday targeting to achieve amazing results running your next Facebook ads, especially if you are in some specific industries like fashion, restaurants, gift items, cake and confectionery, spas, and other related business niches. And we will be going very practical. Everything we'll be doing will be at the detailed targeting section of the Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get over to it. So birthday targeting can be very powerful, especially for things like promotions, offering discounts, gift items, events and services like cakes, fashion, restaurants, spa, and the rest of them. So the Facebook ad birthday targeting usually work amazingly well when you want to offer birthday discounts to people, you want to give gifts, you want to do spa treatments or limited time birthday promos, among several others. So we're going to get practical with 3 business scenarios in this Facebook ad tutorial. So the scenario 1 is that you sell products that people would love to buy as a gift for themselves, of course, on their own birthday. So the first targeting opportunity in this scenario is people who have a birthday coming up very soon. The goal here is to make an irresistible offer to people who want to buy a birthday gift for themselves, right? So what we're going to do right now is that we'll launch our Facebook ad. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to create a new Facebook ad scenario. Of course, you want to go with the sales ad in this case. This is where you're going to get the best option to do your targeting like I want to show you in this video. So I'm going to choose the sales ad here and then I'm just going to continue. Okay, so what we want to do here, I'm going to be leaving the campaign level alone because that is not where we are doing our targeting, okay? So just in case if you don't know how to go about this, I already did another video on how to go about all of this area. So the place that is of importance to us in this tutorial is the ad set as you have here. So I'm just going to go to the new sales ad set here. And then again, I'm not going to be talking too much about all of this. I'll just go straight to where we want to do our audience targeting. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here. All right, and then when I get to this control option here, I want to come to this show more controls here. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, and again I'm going to scroll down to where we have add suggestions, which is optional here. So I'm going to click on that, and once I do, it's going to give me the opportunity to do my detailed targeting, as you can see here. Now, if you have not been to your Facebook ad manager for a while, you would notice that quite a few things have changed, as you can see here. So here, I'm just going to click on this pencil icon here, and then it's going to open this up for me. So what I want to do right now is that you can see here, it's saying include people who match what now. So I'm going to come to this browse here. I'm going to click on the browse and then I want to come to this demographic. That is where I want right now. Okay. So what I want to do right now is you can see this arrow. I'm just going to click on this arrow and then it's going to display all of this for me. Now for this situation, I want to come down to live event. As you can see here, I'm going to click on live event. And then I'm going to come to date of birth here. Again, I'm going to open the date of birth. And once I do, you can see here that we have upcoming birthday. Now, when you hover your mouse on this upcoming birthday, and then you can see the description here is saying people who are going to have their birthdays within the next week. Okay, so anything that makes me choose this particular option, I'm going to be choosing exactly the people that are going to be having their birthday celebration in the next week. So it means that I know that for this situation, this ad is going to be shown to people who are going to be celebrating their birthday in the next week. So it makes crafting my marketing message easy now because I know that this is going to be seen by only people that are having their birthdays. Okay, so I'm just going to choose that option. And once I choose that option, it's going to add up to my detailed targeting. So it's going to be only people that are celebrating their birthday at that time. And as you can see here that the size is actually fairly big. So I can actually run my ad to this particular population and it's going to do so well. All right, so that is the first scenario, okay? Now, the second scenario that I want to do here, as you can see here, you have month of birth, okay? So I can also, select this one. So if I click on this drop down arrow again, you can see that we have a breakdown, even a better breakdown here. You can see birthday in April, birthday in August, in December, in February. So all the 12 months of the year are well represented here. So that makes the job easier for you. For example, if I'm running this ad in July, I can decide that I only want to target the July celebrant, I only want to target August celebrant or September celebrant, or I want to target 3 month celebrants together in this particular ad set. So I can, if I want to maybe service people in that are having their birthday in the month of August, all I need to do is just to choose August here. And then if I want maybe July or so, I can always scroll down and look for July celebrants. If I want birthday in February, I can choose February. If I want December, I can choose December. Okay, so once I choose all of these, they are going to be recorded. And then when I'm running this ad, it's going to be shown to people that are having their birthdays in this month that I've selected. Okay, so this is how to go about targeting people that are celebrating their birthdays and they want to get a gift for themselves during their next birthday celebration. Once you do this, you can see that you have a pure breed of audience targeting that you want your ad to be shown to. All right, so as you can see here, this is what my detailed targeting now looks like. You can see that I have upcoming birthdays in the next week. So let's assume that I don't want to service people that are going to be celebrating their birthdays in the next week. Of course, I can decide to cancel the upcoming birthday, and then I can decide to go specifically for those ones in the particular months that I'm trying to target. So if I scroll down, you will see here that it has been recorded here, and then I can go ahead and run my ad. Okay, but as a tip, we have also noticed that most times when you're running this kind of ads, people that are within the age range of 20 to 45 are the ones that usually interact with this ad the most. Okay, so in that case, I can decide that I don't want my age bracket to be this wide. I can decide to come to this pencil option here again, and I can decide to say I want to target between the ages of 20 and then 45. Okay, and once I do this, I can go ahead and complete the remaining part of this ad, and I can run this ad, and I can assure you that if you got your ad messages right, you're going to have a fantastic result with this audience targeting. Okay, so let's get to the scenario 2, and in this one we're going to be talking about you targeting friends of people with upcoming birthdays. Now you can also target friends of users whose birthday is coming soon, and this is very much ideal for businesses like gift shops, cakes, party services, perfumes, gift card, flowers, gadget, jewelries, and stuff like that. So you're going to be using this when you want to sell products that people would like to buy for others during their birthday. So this is good if you want to target friends of people who are celebrating their birthdays. All right, so in that case, I can decide to just cancel all of the targeting that I've done here. Okay, so that we can just focus on that. And of course, if you want to keep all of them stacked together, you can do so. Even though I am not a fan of that, I always love to have different ad sets for these different targetings. So what I'm going to do in this case again is to come to this browse button here. I'm going to click on that. And again, I'm going to come to this demographics. I'm going to click on that. Again, I want to come to live events again. I'm going to click on that. And this time around, I want to come to this place that says friends of. As you can see, Facebook has made this quite easy for us to do. So again, I'm going to click on friends of, and it's going to open these options for me. So you can see here, it's saying if you want to target friends of men with birthday in 0 to 7 days, you're going to choose this one. This is for friends of men with a birthday in 7 to 30 days time. Why this one is friends of people who recently moved, friends of people with birthdays in a month, and you can see that the options goes on and on like that. Okay, so if I want to target, for example, friends of men with a birthday in 0 to 7 days time, all I need to do is also come and click this option here. But if I also want to open up the targeting to people within the next 7 to 30 days, I'm going to choose the second option, and then I can keep going all the way down and then choosing as much as my targeting option. Okay, so you can see here friends of people with birthdays in a month's time. Okay, if that is good with me, I can also choose that. So at the end of the day, this is going to really depend on how large you want your audience targeting to be. Okay, so you can target friends of men, you can target friends of women. You can also shift or focus your targeting on how many days time between when you're running that ad and when those friends are going to be celebrating their birthdays. Okay, so for you to do that, you go and follow exactly as I've shown you here, and then you're going to get a perfect targeting for that particular audience. Okay, and here I made some examples of marketing messages that you can use to run ads like that. So you can see here it says surprise your best friend with something special on a birthday, get 20% off birthday gift boxes, something like that. Of course, you can always tweak this to match product or service that you're trying to run your ad for. Okay, so these are some other ones that you can use. You can see this headline, got a friend's birthday coming up. You can say, don't stress about what to get them. Surprise them with a delicious custom-made cake they'll never forget. Same-day delivery available, personalized messages, surprise packaging on request. Be the reason they smile on their special day. Tap below to order now. You can see this is perfect, and it's going to go directly to the particular audience that you want. In this case, we're talking about the friends of people that are celebrating their birthdays very soon. As you can see, that is perfect, and it's going to work out fine. So these are the two perfect scenarios that you can use to take advantage of the Facebook ads birthday targeting to narrow your targeted audience if you sell products or services that match birthday opportunities. And if you do other things right, this will get you amazing results. Please like this video and share it so that more business owners can get to see this. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you will love my video. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert notification so that you get to know when I publish my next marketing videos. Just in case you're new to Facebook ads, then watch this video right here. It's going to help you a lot.